Hello YouTube, it's Tyler, and today we're going to be setting up a Minecraft server, and the server is going to be running Bukkit, because Bukkit's the most useful server utility I've seen so far. And I mean, like, I don't think there are any other types, to be honest. But so anyway, today we're going to be setting up the server and running also setting up Dynmap. And Dynmap, here I'll show you real quick. My other server is already set up and running. But yeah, it probably won't be as fancy as mine, but so this is an example of what Dynmap is. Dynmap is your server address with the port number that Dynmap runs on, and that port number will probably be the port number you put. And 8123 is the default port number, which is the one I like to use. But yeah, this is Dynmap. It's pretty sweet. It's probably the best plugin Bukkit has right now, in my opinion. But I mean, you can think what you want. But yeah, there's my server running on my other computer. And anyway, let's get back to the process. We're gonna set up this server. Let me just stop this one so it doesn't interfere with any of our work. But yeah, this server will be fully public, and any of your friends can join and play as they want, and you can set up your map and it'll just be awesome. So yeah, here we go. First, we need to go to Bukkit Forms. Now, here's the problem. Okay, lately, Bukkit hasn't been keeping up with the latest builds for their recommended builds. So I'm just going to download the latest 1.5.2 R01. But chances are, by the time you've watched this video, they've added it to their common builds, which how you download that is you go to Get Craft Bukkit, and you just go down to Windows and you go to Craft Bukkit recommended build, and that'll have the latest builds usually, but it hasn't been like that lately. So anyway, once you've downloaded that, you need to get a little bit of lag going. You need to make a server folder. Now this will be your server directory. Now you can make this where you want. You can make this in My Documents and wherever you want, but I prefer on my home screen just so it's easily accessible. Downloaded our Craft Bukkit. I almost forgot. We need to copy and paste this code right here on the Get Craft Bukkit page. So we need to copy and paste that code for Windows. Make sure you don't do Linux or anything like that. Just copy and paste. And yeah. Here, one sec. Let's shrink the window. Get that download going. 5.1.2 or whatever build you're running on. And we're gonna rename this just to Craft Bukkit to make it easier. So I suggest using Notepad++. If you don't have it downloaded, you should probably download it because it's probably the easiest and best configuration editor I've seen so far. So we're gonna open that up, or just open up regular Notepad if you have it. We're gonna put a new file. We're gonna paste that information in it, and that information is basically telling the program how much space it has to run. So this is your RAM, random access memory, and it's running 1 GB. Now you can change that. I could probably run up to 12, 13, but you can change that to 2 or 3 or 4, or just how much you want, to dedicate. So we're gonna save this, and I'm gonna go to my desktop. That's where I put it, my server folder. Go to server, and it's going to have the Craft Bukkit in it. It's going to show up. Now we're going to save this as start.bat, Windows batch file. Now we're going to go save it as all types, so it saves straight as a bat file. And bingo. Okay, now it's all ready to go. We're going to start it up. Should start up as normal, survival, all that. Uh-oh. Got a little bit of a different stuff. Running pretty high on CPU. Probably going to get some lag here soon. But it's always running high when it's first starting out. Oh, lagtastic. Oh gosh. Okay, there we go. We're good. Now we can exit out of that, close the server, so you don't get any more spectacular lag. You probably won't. But what we need to do next is go to properties file, server properties. And you need to, what we're going to do next is change the server IP. Now how you do this is you go to start, and we're going to type in CMD for the program search. I almost typed COD, definitely not COD. Now we're going to type capital IP lowercase config. Oh, my bad. Booyah. We have what we want. Now this default gateway, we're going to change this in a minute, but what we want right now is our IPv4 address. I'm going to copy mine down real quick. Alright, now we're going to save. Don't forget to save. And we're going to keep this open because we need this. And yeah, I'm going to exit out of that. Alright, so now what we need to do is we need to open up a little tab. And we're going to go Google. And we're going to type in, what's my IP? And it'll tell you right here. Now this is the number you're going to need to write down. I don't know, put it somewhere. It's the number you're going to give to your friends or whoever you want to join on the MineCraft server. Because they're going to type that. They click add server and then they're going to type that number in. And they'll be able to see your server and join it. So we're going to keep that open as well. Or just write it down. Next, this is very important not to forget to do this because I always forget. Go to System Security, Windows Firewall, and Advanced Settings. Now, other computers have different configurations for this, like if you're running Windows XP or anything like that. But I'm just going to show you how to do it on Windows 7. So you go to inbound rules, add new rule, and we're going to make this a port number. TCP, and the classic MineCraft port number. You can always change it, but I don't know. I like staying classy, so let's go 25565. That is the classic MineCraft port. MineCraft server and yeah, no description. You get outbound rules, port 25565. Too many fives. Allow the connections. Yeah. Alrighty guys, I'm back. and I'm gonna keep going. So MineCraft server description, blah, 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 blah. Good, good, good. What? Okay, so we're gonna go back, and we have to make a exception in the firewall for Dynmap as well. So we're gonna go to port, protocol ports. The number for this port is 8123. That is the default number. You can change it if you want to, but I don't suggest. Well, unless you're making a huge server, then for security reasons, yes. So we're gonna go Dynmap and then blah, blah, blah. And new rule on the outbound rules. I don't know why they call it rules. This rules. Alright, so 8123 again. Allow. And name. Dynmap. We're good. Alright, so you got that. Now that is definitely done. That was probably the most annoying part. So now we're going to go back to the internet. And remember, I told you to keep this up. So default gateway. That is the IP address for your router. So that's basically where it's located. So we're going to type that in, and it should give you to your router screen. Then we're going to go to applications and gaming, but yours is probably called something different. It's probably called port forwarding or something of that sort. And I go to single port forwarding. Now here is, mine's already pre-configured for a bunch of stuff, but I'm gonna change it to my address. Don't get confused. It's the address of my computer that is located right here. IPv4 address. So change that to address of my computer, and MineCraft 25565 25565 and map 8123 for both of those. And I'm going to save settings. Settings are successful. That's what I like to see. So I'm going to exit out of that. And yep. So go to our server here. Plugins. Oh snap, I don't have the Dynmap. Ah! And let's see if it works. No, it's gonna have to spawn for a while. So while this is happening, you can type in your server address. Oh. Copy. Paste. Colon. Slash. Is it slash? No, it's 8123. Then slash. Then number sign. Yeah. And there you go. Dynmap is all set up. Why there's 2 spawn points, I have no idea. And you should log in, and it should pop up with your. You need to add your own. I forgot to say this. You need to add your own. No. Alright. So you need to add this. Copy. You need to add that to your server address. So anyway, I've already added mine, so we're going to join. Joining in for the first time. Ooh, lag atrocity. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Stuff going on. Alright, alright, so I'm here. Back from the lag. And I should show up on the map. What is going on? What? 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 Oh, there we go. Haha. There I am. Now, portions of the map should start spawning eventually. God, I gotta get out of this lag. Oh, there we go. And, that's it. That's all I got. So, that's how you set up a Minecraft server. And, it fully works and everything. Your friends can type in that address and join, and it'll just be great. Thanks for watching.